Today was our first workshop about integrating oral skills in teaching English at the level of middle schools.
It was very good because we didn't use to practice training sessions this way.
I expected to meet way more experienced teachers, and I did. It was amazing and I liked it and enjoyed it because I had to meet people who have been teaching English for a very long time, and which is great for me, at least as a beginner.
It was smooth, easy, beneficial, and we have learned a lot. That's what I have heard all the participants saying along the way.
We are looking for this for a long time, that we have meeting with other teachers to exchange our ideas, to have or to improve our skills while teaching, to get some new method to work in our class with our learners, maybe to improve their skills.
I expected to meet a lot of teachers. Like I heard that there were a lot of teachers coming, and they were here and they seemed very experienced, and it was nice meeting them all. It was very busy, and honestly it felt a little short.
Already the idea we got it basically from our colleagues at the Department of English is that every year we do have this issue with students who choose to study English at our department, and the challenge, just like any other teacher faces a challenge, I think that the greatest challenge was faced by the teachers of oral expression. And let's say our investigation led us to the point that sadly, oral expression is not taught enough at the level of middle school and high school.
We always attend seminars with our inspectors as teacher of middle school. Our seminars are not really like that. I wish our inspector to do something like this one, where we exchange ideas and we talk freely. Today I got a lot of ideas. I was so excited. You have no idea how much I was.
I loved everything. I mean, it gave me the chance, first of all, to meet my friends and to meet amazing teachers from different wilayas. And I really got to know new ideas that I'm gonna work with them in my classroom. What I really like today is classroom management. How are you gonna manage your classroom? I mean, all the teachers have this problem with classroom management. But today I got many ideas that, inshallah, I'm gonna use in my classroom.
The teachers who attended, they were very cooperative. They interacted with the workshops, and they made it easier for us to present and made us actually more comfortable. It was actually more of experience sharing, not working. So it was really great. We enjoyed everything. The weather was great. The atmosphere was so helping. So it was a really great experience.
From the three workshops, in Mr. Ghazal's workshop, he emphasized the importance of public speaking, and he gave tips on how to be a better public speaker as a teacher. And the second workshop, I felt like it emphasized group work and how to build teamwork. And for the third one, it was good because the trainer brought to us new techniques and new methods of teaching the 4 skills.
I was quite sure that it would be something different, and it would be successful. Okay, since we are dealing with education, and we will get out of the daily routines.
What I saw in their eyes is that they were so positive concerning their reactions, concerning the intention of to give and take and share. So I think they love the experience because it's something different. It's not like the casual practice or kind of practice we are doing along the year.
Targeting an audience like that, coming all from middle school cycle, is really a unique experience for me. Okay, I attended many workshops and seminars, but the attendees were from different cycles, from different either from private or public schools and so on. But this time, the audience, all the attendees are from middle school cycle.
You want to have another workshop, which is something I really want to have. I wish it would be a little longer than this.
Believe me, these workshops are really amazing, and we need more. Just not just 1 or 2 in the year. We need 1 or 2 in the month.
Maybe while scheduling events like this, providing teachers so that to know more about their needs, their interests is a key in order to have a successful event next time.
We decided to have this workshop. We decided to target first the middle school teachers, but we would like to target also high school teachers. So yes, in the future, we would definitely, if not target the same audience, we will be targeting another audience.